Okay, good morning. Paul here, Spaulding Team, Berkshire Hathaway. It is June 5th. Almost half the year's gone already, my lord. Okay, well, let's see what's going on in the Las Vegas market here. Let's see, we have new listings. House here, this one's out of the area here. You can take a look at it if you like. Little house. Pretty cute for a little teeny house. Looks like it's about 400 or 500 square feet. 130,000. It's 1,350 over in Ely, Nevada. Okay. So let's go into this one, which is a condo, 1,000 square feet, 2-bedroom, 1 bath, and 1-car garage. Okay. Oh, pretty nice. Nice patio. A little dated, but nice and clean. I like that patio. That's pretty nice. A little covering over it. Wood though, it looks deteriorated. Part of the triplex. I see. Arbors. Okay. And that is over on Charleston and Christie, which is over there, a little northeast of us. Okay. Let's see what else. Wow, look at all these that came on today already. Gracemore, 679, 3,500, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3-car garage, no pool or spa. Huh. Nice little house. Nice and clean. Mostly upgraded. Need some landscaping. Oh, it's got RV gates. Cool. 679, huh? And where are we here? Cimarron, Buffalo, Rosada, Northwest somewhere. Yep. Okay. Yesterday we had 1-story condo, 724 square feet. All red. Should have cleaned that up a bit. A lot of stuff. It's got a garage though. Yep, 1-bedroom, 1-bath garage, 1997 built over on Alexander. Again in the north. Okay. Then, let's see what else we have here. Yesterday. A lot of new listings the last couple of days. 5.2 million. Wow. Nice house. Guess $5.25 million it better be. Oh, that's interesting. Tubes of light. This is quite a house. So where are we here at Painted Feather? Flamingo. Okay. Summerlin South, Red Rock area. Okay. That's that. Just for the heck of it, we'll take a look at a couple things yesterday, because we didn't do a show yesterday. 528 square foot townhome, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Oh, interesting. Little spot there. Christine Stewart. Okay. And then we go to the next one. A lot has come on the market in the last couple of days. $2.25 million. That load growth there, they should get a professional to do the photography on this for $5.25 million. That's just cheap. A little lap pool. Little solar heating there. Huh. $2.25 million. Big lot. 40,000 square foot lot. Sand Hill and Sunset. Built in 07. Oh, okay, so you've got 2 lots here. Gotcha. So that tennis court belonged to it. Alright. Well, let's go on to the sales under contract. 563 under contract. That's pretty good. Sold. Today, 265. Today's the 5th, yeah. Little house closed, 265. Pretty nice. Odyssey, where's Odyssey? Built in 98. Cimarron and Elkhorn, all the way up north, okay? Okay, yesterday we had this little 2-story condo, 20 grand, huh? Interesting. 1 picture. Bonanza and MLK. So I wonder why it's 20 grand. 35. I need a lot of work. So 500 bucks is all they need on that. Is it? Oh. Oh well. Okay. Okay, we have nice house, almost $2 million bucks. I bet. It's nice. Pretty busy with all these colors. Huh. Oh, we're in the southwest again. No, that's way up. Okay, Summerlin. Okay. Alright. So that's that. Let's see what's going on in the pool market right now. Last couple of days. 0 to 3. 0 to 3. Single family, private pool, yes, 64. Okay. Interesting. All over the map again. If I do this and this and this, we have $175 a square foot. 484,000 is the average. 10,000 square foot lot. Oh, these are all big lots. They're in escrow. The average at 10,000 square feet. That is crazy. Interesting. Have an average of 10,000. Wow. Okay. Average list price 510,000. Median list price 475. Okay. Alright, well, I guess that's it for today. I will talk to you mañana.